Hello, all my guys, gals, and non-binary pals. It's just another day in the life of the pandemic going around the world and the USA. Well, the USA is in the world, which is the point. It's hitting us pretty hard over here, too. We have over like 100,000 cases or something. I don't really know, I'm not keeping up with it. But it's occurred to me that a lot of people can't work their regular jobs. They need ways to make extra money, or at least save some of the limited money that they have. And in most cases, both. If you're not an essential employee, which is usually just banks and grocery stores and fast food places at this point, and other places to keep the electricity on and such like that. But the people who are losing their jobs, like bartenders, or so if you are one of those people who has been laid off for whatever reason, if you're one of the 3,000 people plus who got fired from Hobby Lobby with no severance and is living currently off of unemployment benefits, you need to be able to make or save or both as much money as you can. And I'm here to help you learn how to do that today. I have been side hustling pretty much since I was 15. That makes it like 7 years of experience with making some sort of amount of money online, either in cash or gift cards that I could use in specific places. Today, I am going to be teaching you guys what started it all. The very first GPT that I ever joined. GPT standing for Get Paid To. This is when we're going to get paid to do sorts of things like answer surveys. Load up, please. Thank you. You take certain surveys like these. This is usually not what I do, because I've found that a lot of them will just screen you out and disqualify you for certain things and whatnot. But just for you guys today, I'm going to take this 1 minute one for 2 swag bucks. 2 points for you right here on camera. Which of the following do you currently subscribe to / own? Check all that apply. Connected device is a TV set. We have a Roku at my house. Premium channels through paid television source. Premium channels through your paid television service. I don't know what that means, but we do get HBO, so I'm gonna click it. Video game consoles, yes. Smart home system, yes. Tablet computer. Dad has one of those, so I can click that. Cable / fiber optic television. We have Comcast, Xfinity. Video streaming services, no. Smartphone, yes. Vacuum oven, no. Paid streaming services. Yep, okay, we continue on. We're going to ask you a few questions to gauge your interest in participating in different types of studies. You will still be able to continue with the survey no matter what answers you select. We just want to get your opinions. Great, let's continue. In addition to regular surveys, would you be willing to participate in online focus groups? No, I would not be willing to participate. This is probably going to be what screens me out. No? Dairy studies? Dairy studies. Okay. No, I'm not doing that either. I just want to get to the survey. Nope. No. I'm just not even reading it at this point. If it's not about completing this specific survey, I don't want to do it because it'll just chew up more time. No. No. Success, you've just completed survey number whatever and earned 2 swag bucks. These are the total swag bucks I have over here in the top right. Every swag buck which is basically a point system. The swag bucks are the points. Every swag buck is worth 1 penny, 1 cent. So I currently have $17.32 waiting in the back burner. And if I go to activity, I have earned 95 bucks and 46 cents all time. I'm currently earning 20 SB today. If I earn another 10, then I'll get a bonus XP at the end of the month, basically. And there's all different types of ways to earn. It's not just surveys. So if you don't have the patience to sit there and take a survey, because trust me, it takes some patience, and you might even be screened out somewhere really late in the survey and not get the full reward. That's why I don't particularly like taking surveys. If you click on answer again, there's something called a daily poll, which is just like basically a daily question about your life. Have I started spring cleaning? Yes, I did, last week actually. And you automatically get 1 point for every time you answer this question daily. And you also see what other people are doing. And there's a comment section for the other options so that you can like discuss certain things about it if you care to do that. I'm personally just here to earn money. So, you know, there's that. Now, there's the shopping section too. You can basically buy things online, and if you have the swag button over here activated, you could get cashback on any of these sites that offer cashback through Swagbucks points. So every time you make a purchase, you would get so much percentage of that money back in Swagbucks points to be able to get another gift card or potentially PayPal later, because it cashes out to PayPal too. It's just a pretty high denomination of what you'd have to earn to get to it. For example, Home Depot is offering up to 12% cashback, so if you sign up today and you're about to go to Home Depot, you're about to get some serious swag money if you, like, buy it online. Or you could actually, I saw a thing where you could link your card to the website, and everything you make on the purchase with that card would become, linked cards. Everything you make a purchase with that card, you would get in-store cashback through the Swagbucks website. Yeah, but I don't really do that. I probably should start, to be honest. But I'll do that when I have steady income, basically. That'll be a good way to do things. And one other reason I'm doing this, yes, there is a way to earn through referrals. I'm going to be putting my referral link in the description of this video. And so, basically, you would get 500 points to start with. And I would get, I would get the bonus 100 SB if you download the swag button, which I recommend because that's a good way to earn points as well. And I would also get 10% of whatever you earn for the rest of your time earning with Swagbucks. Okay, what's next? The Discover tab. This is basically, doing offers, looking at websites, downloading apps, basically discovering new things. Some of these I'm pretty sure you can do multiple times. I'm pretty sure I did the Domino's thing 3 times or something. Let's see if I can do it again. The tab. Thanks for signing up. Your SB will appear as pending for 7 days. Okay. So, in about 7 days, we'll know if I earned 15 SB or not. I'll be sure to update you if that's what actually happens. Because I plan on making more videos describing more ways to make money that I use now more often than Swagbucks. Swagbucks for me has basically just kind of become the cashback website. I pretty much don't have the patience to do any of this other stuff anymore. So I just sort of use it as a cashback system. I use the swag button to go on a website and activate the cashback feature, and then buy stuff there and get points with it. And then I use those points on things like birthday gifts or Christmas gifts, because my siblings' birthdays are all really late in the year, so I have like all a year to come up with this. So that's why this is viable for me. Okay. And the watch tab. Load, please. Thank you. Yeah, you watch a certain number of ads, and you get like these little points here. It's really not much. But I do know that there are apps you can download that pay out more. Apps on your phone, that is. Like an SBTV app, I'm pretty sure that's still going, because that used to be a thing a long time ago. And there used to be like 4 different ones. But there's like a limit on how many SB you can earn per day with that, I think. Or at least that's what it was when I stopped using it. You can also use the search tab. You can search anything in Swagbucks like this. You can search, I can spell please, anything in Swagbucks. And it doesn't matter what you search, it goes by the time of day that you searched it, basically. I didn't get anything this time, but I mean, it's not bad to just use it as a search engine as well. I should honestly probably start doing that. It's not a bad idea. Oh, I almost forgot about the SB codes. Is that still a thing? Here we go, swag code. Check if there's an active swag code. There are no swag codes available. Basically, if you have the swag button, or if you're just on Swagbucks, you'll get like an alert somehow. Usually in a notification, if you have notifications on for Swagbucks or on the swag button, about a code that's just free money. You get like 5 or 6 points or something, maybe 1 or 2. 10 is like a random amount. And there's different ones for here, Canada, and other countries that Swagbucks currently. And the last one is one I never use. This is Play. Usually you have to spend money on this. Like, you have to spend money on it, basically. I mean, you can play these free Swagbucks games. They're kind of fun. They're not anything I would personally, like, ride home about. But yeah, there is that. And then you can get... Wasn't there, like, a gift card thing that you could get? I swear there used to be like a credit card or whatever that you could use. Let's see my account. Nope. I don't see it. Well, you used to be able to get a credit card thing, and if you made purchases on that, you would get that many points, I think, back in Swagbucks as well. But I never did that. I don't screw with credit cards. That's just no. I'd rather use the money I have than owe somebody else money on top of what I don't already have, you know? The way I learned about credit cards and debit cards, the difference is credit card is somebody else's money, debit card is yours. So yeah. How many points? Oh yeah, if you get 30 in a day, you get like a bonus 3, and that number will gradually go up as you keep meeting the bonus. And yes, there's also referrals. I have a couple referrals already. There's swag ups, which is like things that I think you get on your birthday, right? survey bonus. Oh yeah, that's just like random extra money that you can earn, and then there's like one that you get on your birthday. I think they give you one for Christmas. And it does things like boost how much money you can earn from a certain thing, or just straight up adds to your point balance for like a specific purchase. Unfortunately, the ones going for like Amazon and Walmart and stuff like that, that's out of order due to COVID-19, I'm pretty sure. But you can still get this stuff. So if you're planning on going to those things anyway, why not just go to this and get some money back? Well, anyway, I think I've wasted enough of your time today, or well, not wasted if you're learning something and you're going to use it to benefit yourself and your family in some way, shape, or form. Just, stay safe, stay home, wash your hands, sneeze into tissues, cough into your elbow like this. Just stay clean and have a great day. Bye, guys.